How to redeem AMC Yellow Ticket online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and then visit the AMC Theaters website, that is www.amctheaters.com. Now, on the display screen, you will see a search bar icon. Type the movie you want to watch or browse until you come across your choice. Once you have settled on the movie you want to watch, tap on the Get Tickets button. Now, type and select the city where you want to watch a movie, and you will see several AMC theaters near the selected city. Choose the most convenient one and further select your preferred showtime. Also, choose the seat you prefer and tap on Continue. You will then be required to choose your age range, so choose your age range and then tap on Continue again. Now, on the payment checkout page, tap on the gift cards option and enter your card number and PIN. Now, tap on the Add Card option and then tap on the Purchase to redeem your yellow ticket. So this is how you can redeem AMC Yellow Ticket online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.